Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to use the Urban Heat Island Viewer app. First, you'll notice the left pane on your screen is the map viewer. The right pane on your screen is where you can adjust the map viewer parameters. To begin loading data, first select a region. Second, select which datasets to load. You can load any number of datasets. Third, specify the range of dates from which to load Landsat 8 data. Best practice is to use a date range of at least 16 days. Otherwise, data might not be available for your entire region. Fourth, press the Add Data button. Your data will load onto the map viewer. It might take several minutes to load depending on the region or dataset selected. By hovering over the Layers tab on the top right of the map viewer, you can see what datasets have been added to the map. If your selected datasets appear in the Layers tab but not on the map, then they may still be loading. The Layers tab also allows you to toggle what datasets are visible and adjust their transparency. At the top of your screen, you can use Google Maps to search location. To create a vegetation index versus surface temperature plot, start by making sure that both the NDVI and land surface temperature datasets are loaded. Then, you may define a region of interest. You can use the Draw a Shape tool located on the top left of the map viewer to define your region of interest. The region of interest should not exceed the size of a large city and its surrounding area, otherwise a sampling error will occur. Next, press the Generate NDVI versus LST plot button. The plot will appear on the bottom left of the map viewer. You can expand the plot and download data by clicking the button on the top right of the plot. Thank you for watching and enjoy using the Urban Heat Island Viewer app.